If you have a dog or cat, you already know the struggle. Pet hair on your couch, pet hair on your clothes, pet hair in your car. And somehow, pet hair even shows up in places your pet has never been. The good news is that you don't need expensive gadgets to keep your home clean. In today's video, I'm counting down the 5 best pet hair removal tools that can help you remove fur from furniture, carpets, clothes, and even directly from your pets. And make sure you stay until the end because my number 1 pick is affordable, reusable, and surprisingly effective. Let's get started. Number 5. Electrostatic Pet Hair Remover Glove. Coming in at number 5 is the Electrostatic Pet Hair Remover Glove. This glove is designed to use static electricity to attract pet hair, lint, and dust from fabric surfaces. What makes it useful is its large 5-finger design, which allows you to cover more surface area quickly. Instead of rolling back and forth with a traditional lint roller, you simply slide your hand across the surface. It's especially helpful for sofas, carpets, car seats, bedding, clothing. Another feature I like is that it's washable and reusable. There are no sticky sheets to replace, which means less waste and lower long-term cost. The breathable mesh fabric also makes it comfortable during longer cleaning sessions. If you're looking for a simple and budget-friendly way to remove pet hair around the house, this glove is a solid choice. If you want to check the latest prices, reviews, and availability, you'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 4. Cat Grooming Glove Brush by Geese. At number 4 we have the Cat Grooming Glove Brush. This product combines grooming and hair collection in one tool. It features 259 silicone tips that help capture loose hair while gently massaging your pet. Many pets dislike traditional brushes, but glove-style grooming often feels more natural because it mimics petting. The adjustable wrist strap helps it fit most hand sizes comfortably. Another advantage is the breathable mesh backing that improves airflow and keeps your hand cooler during use. This glove works well for cats, dogs, horses, long-haired pets, short-haired pets. The collected fur sticks to the glove and can be peeled off quickly. If your pet hates regular brushes, this glove could make grooming much easier. Number 3. Upgrade Efficient Pet Hair Remover Gloves. Taking the number 3 spot are the Upgrade Efficient Pet Hair Remover Gloves. These gloves come with 255 silicone grooming tips designed to remove loose fur while providing a gentle massage. One feature that stands out is the inclusion of both a left-hand and right-hand glove. Many products only provide one glove, but having both hands available can speed up grooming sessions significantly. These gloves are useful during regular grooming and bath time. When used during bathing, they help distribute shampoo through the coat while removing loose fur. The 5-finger design also allows you to reach difficult areas such as face, tail, legs, under the neck. The adjustable wrist strap helps create a secure fit. If you want a dedicated grooming glove that works equally well during baths, this is a great option. Number 2. NVNAN Pet Hair Removal Glove. Our runner-up is the NVNAN Pet Hair Removal Glove. This is a 2-in-1 grooming and de-shedding solution that includes 2 gloves in the package. One reason this product ranks so high is the impressive 260 silicone grooming nubs. These soft silicone tips help reach deeper into your pet's coat while remaining gentle on the skin. The gloves can be used for grooming, de-shedding, bathing, washing, daily maintenance. The adjustable wristband provides a secure and comfortable fit. And because the gloves are skin-friendly, they work well for pets with sensitive skin. Another advantage is versatility. Whether your pet has short hair, long hair, curly hair, or thick undercoats, these gloves can help remove loose fur before it ends up on your furniture. For households with multiple pets, the included 2-pack adds extra value. Number 1. Pet Hair Removal Glove for Cats and Dogs. And finally, my number 1 pick for pet hair removal glove for cats and dogs. This glove takes everything people love about traditional grooming gloves and combines it with powerful electrostatic cleaning technology. The upgraded 5-finger design improves grip and control while cleaning. What really makes it stand out is the larger size. Compared to many competing products, it covers more surface area, allowing you to clean furniture, clothing, and carpets faster. The electrostatic technology helps attract pet hair, lint, dust, small debris, without requiring sticky refills or disposable sheets. I also like how versatile it is. You can use it on sofas, beds, clothes, car interiors, carpets, pet areas. Since it's washable and reusable, you can use it repeatedly without spending money on replacement rolls. For pet owners who want one tool that can help with both grooming and household cleaning, this is easily my top recommendation this year. Final thoughts. Those were my picks for the best pet hair removal tools. If you're tired of finding dog hair or cat hair all over your home, any of these tools can make cleanup much easier. Remember, the best choice depends on how you plan to use it. If you mainly groom your pets, glove-style grooming products are excellent. If you spend more time cleaning furniture, clothing, carpets, or car interiors, electrostatic hair removal gloves can save a lot of time. If you want to check the latest prices, reviews, and availability, you'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Using those links helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating honest product reviews and buying guides. And before you go, make sure to watch my previous video, Top 5 Best Dog Beds on Amazon. If you want to keep your pet comfortable while keeping your home cleaner, that video is the perfect next watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.